everybody, welcome back to the channel, man. And it's been a while since I did a sneaker video. I must say it's been a long time, but I must say I'm back in front of the camera now. I'm glad to be back with you guys again. And yeah, we back at it. Now, before we jump in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and kill this little devil right now. I know I got a Nike shirt on right now, and we're gonna be doing a video on the Yeezy Black Pirates, or should I say Pirate Black, however you want to say it. But yeah, we be rocking that, and I just don't want nobody in the comments, oh man, why you rocking the Nike shirt and you doing the Adidas video? Well, hey, I'm sorry, you know, this is what I had on, this is what I'm rocking. No, but yeah, man, we back at it again, and I must say, these Yeezys here, we all know what's been going on with Yeezy at the time. You know, the thing with Kanye West, and then they released all the ones that they couldn't release, but now they're releasing all of them. I know the wifey was on Yeezy Day. She was trying to hit on things. She ended up copying a few things, which, you know, shout out to the wifey. You know, she be doing her thing, man. Yeah. So that's been really been going on. And like you all know, yeah, man. We copying things that we like. On top of that, if you don't know, yeah, I play video games too. So yeah, I've been doing live stream with the gaming and all that. But anyway, that's another story. All right, just know that I'm back at it again, dropping these videos. And guess what? Again, I'm glad to be back in front of the camera, dropping the videos for y'all. And again, man, don't knock my Nike shirt. All right, okay. I know it's Adidas video, but hey, I like Nike. All right, but yeah, just jump right into it. As you already know, man, we do got the Yeezys here. It does come in a nice little same box, $350, all brown. As you see on the side here, Yeezy 350, same thing, made it by the Adidas. Yeezy Boost 350, and the colorway is Pirate Black. Was that Beluga Sea Black? I don't know if I said that wrong, but anyway, whatever. Drop the box. And what we have today, man, again, one of my favorite ones. I love the colorway on it because, you know, it's nice, simple, and it's all black, baby. As you can see here, we do have this nice black and a little hits of gray, or should I say smoke gray, in this silhouette here. As you can see here at the bottom, we got the all black finish, but they always got the white cushion here, the extra absorb here. We do have this nice finished black. We got the finished black all the way around this whole silhouette. As you can see on the sock liner here, as you can see, we do got the nice all black sock liner with the black trimming in it. Pull tab, as you can see in the back of it, we have a speck of red going through the back of that actual pull tab here. Also, we do have the on the side here, we do have this nice little suede with the Adidas symbol in it. You got the suede here, and I like it. I like it a lot. And again, I am a basic type person, man. I do love this silhouette. Because again, I am a big fan of all black. I'm a big fan of the 350s. I'm a big fan of the cushion on them, the comfortability on them is absolutely great. As you already know, on the inside we do have the nice Adidas Yeezy in the inside of this actual sneaker. And again, man, I'm just happy to be able to just bring you another video. It's been a while, and I'm actually excited to bring videos back to you. We'll be rocking again. Now here on the other sneaker here, which is the right sneaker, we do have the same look, but we do have that that right there, that writing in the middle of it right here as well. And like I said, yeah, man, we just can't beat it, man. And it stands for Yeezy, YZY. And again, let me just give you another good look at it. As you can see, yeah, as far as that, again, not too much more to say on it. Luckily, be able to have a pair of these. Again, if you don't have a pair of Yeezys, I know a lot went on through it. I'm not going to stop copying them. My wife, we ain't going to stop copying because what's going on, understand? There's a lot of people that didn't like it because of the Kanye West thing. I like sneakers, you know, because it's what they are, you know what I mean? So if I like them, I'm gonna cop them. If I don't like them, we ain't gonna cop them. But as far as that, man, yeah, man, that's all I got, man. We do have the Yeezy 350 Pirate Blacks in hand. Absolutely amazing sneaker. Looks absolutely amazing. As you can see here, on the laces here, we do have like I call it a charcoal black lace type look. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all we got. The rope look, the whole nine. And yeah, man, it's good to be back, y'all. I'm glad to be back to bring another video, man. I just don't know how excited I am. And hey, man, love and blessings. I'll see you guys on the next sneaker video. Be on the lookout. Got a couple things bringing to you. All right, love and blessings. Summer's almost here. It's about to go down. Peace.